So what does this mean? It doesn't always have to do with interest. It could be about finding out what the value of an investment is after a given period of time. So if you've invested, let's say, £10,000 or $10,000 at 7% into, let's say, an index fund or an ETF. I'm just going to say ETF because in England we have exchange traded funds. How do you find out if that's the 7% per year? What is the value after 90 days? So we need to use an equation. So A times R times D over Y. So that's going to be the accrued amount. So A is the principal amount. Which is £10,000. R is the interest rate, or the yield, or the amount that you're going to be getting back from your ETF or bond, it represented as a decimal. So I'm going to write interest rate as a decimal. And then we're going to have D over Y. That's the number of days that you want to find out, which is 90, over the total period where the interest rate is being applied. So in this example, it's annually, so it's going to be 365. So D is number of days that you're trying to work out for, and Y is the term time in days. So plugging that all in, we're going to have 10,000 times 0.07 times 90 over 365, which is going to be 172.67. So after 90 days, so 3 months, you have made 172.67 on the principal amount that you've put in. So that's how you calculate accrued interest.